Guys, so before you watch this video, understand this is simply an unboxing. I know in my past videos I've done my unboxings with my review, but I think I want to switch something up. It's a way for me to be able to produce a little bit more videos and give you a chance to see what videos will be coming down in the pipeline while also showing you the new clipper that I'll be taking a look at. So in this video, we're looking at the Surker SK 807. This is simply an unboxing, my first impressions, grabbing the machine, holding it, and what I think of it. I actually recorded this several weeks ago, so I've been using the machine. But like I said, I'm gonna try something new. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think, if you like this format or not, where I just do a simple unboxing and then later on, after a couple of weeks of using it, I can give you my full review in a whole separate video. So that's what I'm going to be trying out the next couple of days or the next couple of videos, because it gives me a chance to show you guys. Like I said, sometimes I'll get something in, and instead of you guys waiting a week or 2-3 weeks before the video comes out, at least you'll see that I'm working on. So that's the plan, and that's what I plan to do. So enjoy this unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of the machine, if you have it or not. Let me know in the comments. Follow me on Instagram. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, know that I do full reviews of these machines, just trying something different. All right, let's get back to the video. Yes, we got another dope one. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Carlos here, back again. Right now, we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. But as you see, I have the Surker's model number SK807. And just appearance obviously shows you that these things look sexy. So let's get right into unboxing this. This is one of the first clippers I saw that I knew I had to have. Now if you see in the box, they do come with two different types. You have one that looks like more of an all metal body, and then one that has like a carbon fiber look to it. So let's get into the box, and then we'll go over some of the features that the box claims that this clipper has to offer. So let's toss this aside, and right off the bat, it's right there. So let's take this off, put this over here for me. We got the little user's manual. We have these guards right here, which honestly, these will get you by, but I don't know how good they're gonna be. We'll probably test them out as well. So push this aside as well. This is different. Comes with a one of the cheapest filling combs I've ever felt. This is terrible. Nah. Little cleaning brush, that's nice. And this is what they would consider USB power. So with this cable, you have the ability to connect it via USB, as you see right here. And then this is the port that it uses. So if you want to charge it, that is what you have. I have another machine that's very close to this, actually damn near exactly the same. Let's move this box out of the way. Let's get this. Okay, wow, this thing looks nice. First impressions right off the rip is feels very lightweight. Very lightweight. Let's pop this guy off. Now this sports a gold blade. Not sure. Ooh, wait a second. It's got the ridges. There's 3 there and 2 there. So we got 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is good. The other Surkers I have only have, no, it's not this. No, those are 96s. The 96 only have 4, and I would complain that if they had the 5th one, it would have been better. So that's really good. It feels so lightweight. Let's turn this on, see if it has any juice in. I gotta take this off, it looks like. It's a little protector. Take that off. And it's showing 100%. So this is one of the reasons why Actually, let's do a sound test. Fairly quiet. Fairly quiet. So one of the reasons why I did like it is because it had that LED light on it. Oil and charge. I'm not sure about the whole oil aspect of it, but I do like that it has this LED indicator light right there. You don't have to guess. I'm used to it when they do have this little LED light, they usually have it down below. This is a good move. This is a good move. Man, this feels very lightweight, but not in a cheap feeling lightweight, but more like it feels a little hollowed out inside. But the materials feel good. We're gonna go over what this thing has. I'm already liking the blade. We're gonna try to zero gap this and see if we can get this zero gapped. Shouldn't be a problem, but if we look around, it's obviously using a flat blade. I would say these are comparable to the other suckers, and yes, you can cut with that blade that it came with, but I wasn't like a fan. I think the bottom blade really just didn't do a great job of cutting. Now, yeah, you can do a full fade with it. It wasn't as bad as some of the other ones I've tried. So far, the KEMEI 2850s, the blade that comes on that, it was really good right off the rip, but we already know what the issue with that machine was. I just did a video about that. And the 1986s, that was my favorite cutting blade. Excuse me, because right off the rip I didn't have to do nothing but zero gap it, and that blade cut fantastic. So I'm interested to see how this holds up as well. Try to zero gap it, and of course I'm gonna be doing all these tests. And now you guys know the way I do these things is I tend to wait a couple of weeks of a consistent use, gets to see if the machine's gonna die on me or not, see if the battery life is worth it. That's one of the things we're going to talk about right now. That charge time is 2.5 hours, and it's supposed to have a 120-minute working time. So that's not bad. If it sports 120 minutes, it's not bad. Let's see what the battery itself is. I would say this is a 2000 milliamp, but I am not seeing anything here stating that. Nope, I am not seeing anything stating on the actual battery size, so that's a shame. This does have a rotary motor, which is what we're starting to see with a lot of the wireless clippers. They pretty much all have rotary motors. How strong it is, time will tell by cutting, but I'll tell you right now, it does feel like it has enough horsepower. Now, until I use this, I won't know. So you guys are gonna have to keep watching this video to find out my thoughts on the rest of that. So let's see what happens. So what do you guys think? You think that this was a good idea? Just simply unboxing. Reason why I say that is because check this out. I got another set of clippers that I can easily do an unboxing a lot quicker than I can do a full review. So I'll do that. I'll have these unboxed pretty soon. And you guys, you know, if you guys have used these and, you know, have a little bit of information, please leave them a comment down below. But again, the suckers, that video should be coming within a week or so, because I already, at that point, I already have had them for over a month and been using them. So I got some real weird opinions when it comes to that machine, but we'll get to that when the time comes. All right, thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like, and make sure you're following me on Instagram. Peace.